Hey guys, this is Hedgie with Hedgie's Happy Campers Club. Campers in Clarksville, Indiana. My number is 502-500-6196. Guys, look what I got here. I got a 2024 Georgetown 36B5. Now, this is the Bunk model. This is a beautiful coach. Class A, triple slide, Ford V8. Just gonna walk around the outside of it for a minute. Very nice coach. Got your outside entertainment center there. But so look inside. This is what kind of separates this from everything else. When you walk inside, you get these beautiful theater seats. They're all power with heat and massage. You got a dream dinette. You also got a fold down dinette that comes down there. It's all power. That's a full bed that comes all the way down. Both of those seats will spin around and become part of the living room. Very nice. It's got a huge refrigerator side by side, oven and a convection oven. Nice sound bar there for the stereo. Nice 6-foot bunks here, both with USBs and outlets. You want to put a TV in each. But look at this. I'll show you something really cool. This coach has got 2 full bathrooms. Big shower here. Normally you might see a bath and a half. This has got 2 full bathrooms. And I guess if you're gonna sleep 8, and possibly take a clan with you, the two bathrooms are very important. King size master bed. Tons of storage. There's your bedroom TV for your master. Here's your bedroom master bath. Wow. Wow. Storage everywhere. Washer dryer combo. This is really nice. Again, in a motorhome, storage is everything. And this bad boy has got the storage. It's not that big a coach. I'm talking about 36 foot, and gives you sleeping for 8 and 2 full baths and your theater seats. Both of those seats spin around, become part of the living room. Got a nice workstation there for the co-pilot. Very easy setup. Really nice. Guys, if this is the one, give me a call, 502-500-6196. If this is not the one, guys, let me know what you're looking for. I carry everything from little pop-ups to $1 million motorhomes. Give me a call. Hedgie's Happy Campers Club, Campers in Clarksville, Indiana. 502-500-6196. Thanks, guys.